I've got another limited edition beauty box from Boots to share with you, and it's the Fresh Faced Favourites edit. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Boots are on a roll. They are bringing out so many different beauty boxes. I can't keep up with them. But I spotted this one and I thought I had to get it. It's a more affordable one as well. It costs £29.99. It has a value of £112.99. It contains 9 beauty products, 6 of which are full size. You'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. I absolutely love this travel bag. It's gorgeous. It's hard to describe. Hopefully the camera can pick it up, but it's like a hard material. My mind has gone blank, but it's a really nice travel bag. And there's a sneak peek of everything inside. Now my daughter had a look at this. She had a look inside and she goes, "Oh, tell me when you finished, Mum, because there's a few things I would like." And I'm like, "Oh yeah? Oh yeah, what about me?" So we'll see. I'm just going to get them all out here. There's some really lovely brands in here. I love that about the Boots beauty boxes, because we get to see products that we might not always see in other beauty boxes, if that makes sense. Particularly like subscription boxes, which are great because you're getting a beauty box for a fraction of the price of what the value is. But we tend to see similar brands in many of them, which is fine. But it's nice to see different things. Hopefully I'm making sense. And yeah, Boots do that. Oh, I can see something I want to open up straight away. It's by Beauty of Joseon. It's a gorgeous Korean skincare brand, and this is SPF 50+ matte sunstick, Mugwort and Camellia. I've just seen on the bottom here, expires 2027. That's fine. Matte sunstick containing Artemisia capillaris and green tea extracts. It helps create smooth skin whilst maintaining moisture. I love this packaging. It's so cute, isn't it? Just twist it up like that. I've got a Korean brand. I can't remember what it's called, but Innisfree maybe? I can't remember now, but it's a stick form like this. No scent. Well, it feels gorgeous. It feels like there's nothing on my skin, but my skin is smoother, if that makes sense. I need to look on the website to learn a bit more about this. So we've got Mugwort and Camellia, which are great ingredients. Yeah, really looking forward to trying this, seeing what that is like. Then we got the Inkulus, and this is an oat cleansing balm. I guarantee this is one of the items that my daughter wanted. Formulated for all, best for normal sensitive skins. It helps remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. And yeah, it's a cleanser. It's a really nice cleanser. She buys this all the time. So as soon as she goes through one, yeah, she always buys another one. And she has done for the last 2 years, I think, unless I get them in beauty boxes. But it is a nice cleanser, actually. I use it sometimes as well. And this is a nice handy size. We're all going on a family holiday to Cyprus soon. So I think, yeah, this is probably what she's thinking. A cleanser to take away with me. Yeah, it's a good one. I do really like this one. And then we got Lumene, which is a beautiful Finnish skincare brand. Skincare and makeup. This is Valo Nordic Sea. It's from the Nordic Sea range, so vitamin C. Glow Boost Essence. And it contains vitamin C and Arctic Cloudberry for all skin types. I'd never heard of Cloudberry until I started using Lumene products. And then I went to Iceland a couple of months ago, and I went into the Sky Lagoon. You might have heard of the Blue Lagoon. Well, the Sky Lagoon opened up a couple of years ago. And I went last year with my son, loved it so much, we decided to go again this year. We only went away to Iceland for 3 nights back in the end of February. If you're not already following me on my vlogging channel, it's Claire Goes Where. You see all my videos from my trips over there. But yeah, we got to try Cloudberry Juice. It's quite nice. So it's in all the skincare here. This is lovely, by the way. I'm going off on tangents here. This is a serum. A really, really nice serum. I love the moisturiser. The cleanser as well is a really good one. The vitamin C range is my favourite range of all of the Lumene products. It's really, really good. So it contains Arctic Cloudberry, which is an antioxidant, and vitamin-rich superberry for more radiant skin. Vitamin C helps boost skin's radiance. 3 types of hyaluronic acid for intense and lasting hydration. polyglutamic acid for intense hydration and glow. It says our best-selling serum is clinically tested to boost glow and intensely hydrate for energized, smoother and visibly radiant looking skin. And I've seen that Boots often have Lumene products in their Tuesdays, the £10 Tuesday offer deals. So if you're interested in trying products from this brand, then maybe that is a good option to go for. See what's available on the Tuesdays. We got BYOMA, and this is a brightening serum, triceramide complex, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. It's a booster barrier for better skin. And there's 30 mils there. A concentrated brightening booster to visibly improve tone and texture for brighter glowing skin without compromising daily skin barrier function. So you cleanse, tone, treat with the serum, put moisturizer on and then protect. So yeah, I haven't tried that one, but I know my daughter really likes BYOMA as well. Then we've got Pixi. This is Skin Treats Vitamin C Serum. There's loads of serums in here. I don't think there's any more, is there? No. Third serum in a row. So it's vitamin C and ferulic acid, brightening concentrate, and there's 30 mils there. So yeah, love that it comes like this. Brightening and antioxidant serum provides a boost of immediate and long-term radiance. Combination of vitamin C and ferulic acid is known to neutralize free radicals to help improve skin tone for a brighter complexion. So yes, we've got another facial serum there. I just thought I would look up the differences between the two, just to give you an idea. I know not everyone likes it, but this is what ChatGPT has said. For dry and sensitive skin, the Lumene Nordic C Glow Booster is preferable due to its superior hydrating properties and stable vitamin C formulation. For targeted brightening, if your primary goal is to combat hyperpigmentation and you're not sensitive to ferulic acid, the vitamin C serum could be effective, keeping in mind its potential for quick oxidization. The direct answer of which one is better? Overall, it's likely the Lumene, especially for hydration, stability and gentle effectiveness. But the Pixie one is great if you want more of a stronger antioxidant effect. So I just thought I'd let you know what the internet says about the differences between those two. Then we have got e.l.f. This is Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm with hyaluronic acid, ceramides and peptides. And it's 56.5 grams there. I've tried a little mini of this. Might be in a Boots, I can't talk properly today, in a Boots beauty box before. Smells nice. I love a cleansing balm though. The feeling of putting a big lump on my face and then it melting away my makeup. You've got a little spatula there to scoop it out. I think my daughter might have wanted this one as well. With hyaluronic acid, ceramides and peptides. Yeah, it sounds a really great one. The thing is, if my daughter does want these cleansers, then they'll be going down to our bathroom anyway, so I can still get to use them. Then we got Boots. This is Skin Clear Oil Absorbing Sheets with salicylic acid. Instantly absorbs excess oil to help prevent spots. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Spots for an instantly shine-free and matte complexion for clearer, confident skin. And there's 50 sheets there. I love these. I think they're brilliant. I haven't tried these ones in particular. Should we give it a go? Let's see how much oil is on my nose at the moment. So you got this part there. Let's give it a go. Not too bad. That's not bad at all. So yeah, so obviously my skin is a bit dry at the moment. Yeah, a really handy product to have, especially if you do have an oily T-zone. And then lastly, we've got two little mini samples from Cetaphil. We've got a gentle cleanser and we've got a moisturising lotion, both for normal to dry, sensitive skins, and they're both 29 mils there. Get one or two uses out of to see if you like it. Although you could get more uses probably out of the moisturiser. So yeah. And that is it. Those are all the products inside the, what's it called? Fresh Faced Favourite Skincare Edit by Boots. I think for £29.99, there's some really gorgeous products in there. A bit of a strange one with the 3 different serums. I love this bag. I love this bag. I think it's so cute. And I think £29.99 is a good price as well. But as always, I would love to know what you think. Did you go out and buy it? Are you watching this thinking, oh yeah, I do really like that? Or you're thinking, nah, it's not worth it? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.